Let's talk about the problem that you face when you speak in English. In this video, I am addressing those problems and their solution will follow in another video. But today we only address the sickness because the first step towards the health is to address the sickness. So whatever problems you are facing, we are going to talk about that so that you can understand it not just only you. There are so many people who are trying to learn English are facing exactly the same problems. Even if you visit any psychiatrist or any psychologist, the first thing that the person does is to ask you about your problem. Basically what he is trying to do is he is making you to speak up about your problem. While we are telling our problem to that person, we are actually acknowledging our problems and we are getting familiar with their problems, with our problems. Okay, so whatever going around you and inside you, we are going to talk about that. I have found that similar problems are being faced by everyone, not only by you, not only by me, even by everyone. So it not just only you in this. These are very common problems and are being faced by everyone. Okay, let me introduce myself. This is me, Sneha Lakshakar, and I am creating this video to provide you some valuable content for you. And I want you to people to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment that what kind of problem you are facing when you try to speak in English. Okay, so let's talk about. There are very two most important areas that we need to take care of it when we try if you want to be master in a language. So what are those areas? The first is your environment. Yeah, environment. I know many of you into this trouble that you do not have anybody with whom you can practice, you can communicate, you can learn. Okay, it's okay. Every environment is only the is environment is only the factor that do not that so not too much in our control. I agree with it. Because physically speaking with our mouth is a very important factor in our learning if you want to be fluent in any language, not only in English. So this is a very important area that we have to look into it. Another important area is your feeling. So feeling means the lack of confidence, your hesitation. These are only your feeling that always stopped you from going out and to speak with someone in English. But it's okay. This problem can be solved if you find a buddy, right? So there is a link in my description box where and also pinned in my blog comment box where you can easily find a buddy with whom you can practice, you can learn, and definitely grow together. Okay, so go to that link and open that and you can easily find a buddy. So this was all for today, and very soon see you soon in a next video. Tab tak ke liye bye, take care, and and if you like this video then don't forget to comment below in my comment box and hit the like button. Bye.